Delhi. It was the most affected during the global pandemic of COVID-19 at ISBT.
यहाँ पे हम जारी मजदूरी करते थे, काम बंद हो गया हम लोगों का, अब खाने के लिए भी पैसे नहीं है और पॉकेट में 100-200 रुपए पड़े हुए, अभी कैसे गांव पहुंचेंगे ये भी मुश्किल की बात है.
The underprivileged section of the society suffered the most, and to counter this situation, we have proposed a new Anand Vihar bus terminal. Welcome. Passengers may enter via the pedestrian bridge. Drains are covered to prevent foul odor. Due to shortage of water in Delhi, rainwater harvesting is used in our design, which will also help in ground pit recharge. Pedestrian bridge is designed to protect the people from rain and harsh sunlight of Delhi. The bridge then leads to the sanitization spray tunnel, which then leads you to the security check-in and ATM facility. Proceeding, we enter the ticket counter area. It has e-ticket facilities. The floor is designed with a pattern that allows clockwise and aligned movement of the crowd and maintain social distancing. This is the area for bus arrivals. No passenger can directly enter here only if they have bought the ticket. There are 5 bridges that connect waiting areas and ticket counter areas to organize the crowd. The entire roof of waiting area is covered with solar panel tiles to make the infrastructure energy efficient. A seating area for 1500 people is designed keeping social distancing in mind and with proper light, ventilation, refreshment areas and noise insulation. The rear entry is from where the buses enter, and the bus parking has been provided with natural shade. A workstation is designed for maintaining, washing and repair purposes. A guest house for drivers and staff is designed with inward projected windows and terrace garden for roof insulation. Then follows a drop-off area for buses. A police station is designed as per the requirement, and a cafeteria is also present with a drive-through. Its seating is equipped keeping hygiene and social distancing in mind. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the full video. If you are an architecture student, visit Archipedia website for more architecture sheets reference like portfolio, thesis, competition sheets and many more. If you want to participate in the fest, find the submission link in description. Hit like to vote this video. And also subscribe our channel.